Okay, guys, welcome to the Fidget Hub. I'm gonna put down this butt squishy. Who wants to offer? Going once, maybe. Sure, I actually have many options, but I don't know what to choose, so I'm just gonna put this down first. Please may you add? Yeah, I understand. We'll do this. 6, 7 squishy. I accept. Accept. Thank you. Thank you. And sir, because I'm feeling generous. Well, not generous, but I feel like I need a bat squishy. Then this. Me. Right, what have you got to trade? I would like to trade because it's kind of like damaged, and you can't say it's not because it is. It is. I'm gonna put down the the cheese, and a sushi. I know it is broken, but I would like you to add. I understand. I will put down this sugar capybara and this homemade clay squish. Take away the homemade clay squish, and then I accept. I accept her. Thanks. Cute. Oops. Right. Day 2. A new trade. Well, because I've got 2 fuzzballs, got 2. I want to give something away. So, who wants to offer for this blue fuzzball? You need it. It's real. Me. Okay. Butter. And I will add a butter. And I will also add a butter. Well, you take away one of the butters, because, I don't need too many. Just take away the top one, and then can you add, a small thing? Yes, I will. At the rumbush. I accept. I know it might be fair trade, but come here, ants. Okay. Even though I feel like I'm hesitating. But it's a real Nido, but okay, I'll add. Well, they are real, but squishies then. I will add this sugar capybara and this homemade clothes for it. It's wait, day 3. I don't know what my hands are doing now, but, I would like to offer this gorilla, and a penguin. Me, I'd go trade. I love sugar squishies, so I'm gonna add some of my sugar squishies. I have this Lambosh Nido. I have this slushy, it's not the slushy apple, but it feels like the slushy apple. And I have a Sonder dinosaur, and then I have a little squishy bear. Alright, I accept. I'm gonna need you to just add a little thing, just cause this is my favorite, just a little thing, a tiny thing. I accept. Yes. What? Hi guys, a new day, a new trade. My grandma always had to say, well, don't give away your glitter dumplings for scammers. She got scammed. Yeah, you can tell. I will put down this pink dumpling and this, pink, clay homemade squishy and the real, now discontinued, mini dumpling. First off, I am just going to base my favorite squishy out of my collection. So do you think that's spare, or do I need to add one more? Is it little or big? Medium size. Why medium? The bit mouse like this big. Say my blue. Sorry. Can you add that mini blue bear? And then yes, it. I accept. Yay! I love this guy. Thanks for watching, everyone. Like, subscribe, share this to a friend, and comment down below what you think we should do next. Bye, guys. Bye.